everyone! Today we're having an unusual unboxing. It's a real boombox, but made of cardboard.
What do you mean cardboard? Tell me more!
Guys, this is how our future boombox will look like. It has Bluetooth wireless audio and 6 acrylic Montana markers. It is 100% recycled cardboard. There are also 2 5-watt powerful speakers and a do-it-yourself kit. Let's check the other side. Customize your own design. What's in the box? Here we can see all of the contents. And we can connect it to various devices with a headphone jack or Bluetooth.
I was just passing by with a cutter. Do you need anything open?
Oh, you're just in time. Can you help me open this box?
Yeah, sure. I'm on it. Here we go.
Oh, Sammy, be careful.
Sue, I'm a professional. Done!
Let's finally open it. Whoa! The instructions and the boombox base. Wow, guys! Check out all this cool stuff! Let's take a closer look. The first item is the set of acrylic markers of different colors. They are water-based and we'll use them for the decoration. Next comes the handle. Let's check out the next bag. I wonder what's in there. Oh, looks like a mini city, right? This will control the volume. And this is for the batteries, the power source of our boombox, an audio cable, and a micro USB cable. And our precious speakers, of course! Up! Yay! 2 5-watt speakers for powerful sound. It's time to assemble our boombox. We'll follow the instructions. Sammy, will you help?
Of course, with my help, we'll assemble it in no time. So, Sue, first you need to unfold the cardboard base. That's right.
Okay.
Then you need to close the side thingies.
Oh, which side thingies?
These side thingies.
Oh, I see.
Yes!
All right, we'll fold them like this. Sammy, what's next?
You need to fold side and the back walls. Yes, you're doing good.
Oh, you're a great instructor, Sammy. With you, everything is coming out fast and fun, so together we'll assemble it really fast.
And now take the speakers.
I'll insert the speaker into a special slot. And the second speaker. We'll have the most powerful cardboard boombox ever!
We'll check that bit later. And now we need to connect the speakers to the board.
Okay, first we'll connect it to the right speaker. Here we go. And then the left speaker. And now we need to connect the micro USB port to our boombox. To do it, we need to unscrew one piece like this. Applying a bit of pressure here. Great. And let's place the nut back.
Sue, don't forget to connect the USB port to the board.
Oh, thanks, Sammy. What would I do without you? All right, now let's set the board on its place. So, according to the instructions, we need to unscrew the nut, then the washer. Up. We need to insert it into this opening. So what's next?
Aux cable.
Sammy! Let's insert one tip here. And the other tip goes in through the opening. And the last thing is the power module. Up. Perfect. The final step is to place the module into its slot.
It's assembled. You wouldn't have done it without me.
Oh, Sammy, you're my hero. But we're not done yet. We need to insert the batteries and hide them. Click. Turn it over. Oh, I almost forgot about the washer and the nut.
You'll need this lever too.
Oh, I sure will. This lever goes right on top. Done. Let's start on the handle. I think I need Sam's assistance here.
The handle. Let's see. There, you need to fold the edges, then the middle, then fold up.
Whoa. Let's do it step by step.
Take a look yourself.
Fold the sides. Let me see. Oh, easy. And this side too. Okay. One more. Then the middle, like this. Yes. And then one more time. Then we need to connect the two middle parts like this. And finish with the side parts. All we need to do now is attach our handle to the boombox. There are special slots for it on the top.
Wow, this boombox is awesome! Now it's time to start decorating.
Right, Sammy, but first we need to do a light outline with a pencil. Done!
Graffiti! I love graffiti!
Now let's do the outline with the Montana marker. Fun facts! The first boombox was invented in 1975 by twin brothers Stacy and Scott Wolfall. Boomboxes became very popular thanks to different types of street activities such as jam sessions and dance battles in the 1980s. However, there were fewer boomboxes sold in shops. And voila! Let's start coloring! Okay, carefully now. The next letter will be yellow. I love these bright colors! The blue marker is for the last letter, S. Guys, may I present to you the front part of our boombox?
Not bad, Sue. Now allow Master Sam to show you how to paint graffiti. Ta-da! Oh yeah! Dun, 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 dun. Right there. Oh yeah! The outline is done. Now it's time for color. Do, ding, ding, ding. Yeah, yeah. Bam, 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 bam. Ding, 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 ding. Now let's change the color. And like this. Oh, and now a bit of red. Nice. Well, what do you say, Sue?
It's incredible, Sam, but don't you think it's missing something?
Huh, what?
A big explosion!
Oh, time to hide!
Whoosh!
Can I come out yet?
Yes, you can.
You'd make a great fire worker. Oh, let's check out your work. Whoa, are you blasting all the meanings?
I'll leave an autograph on our boombox.
Now it's my turn.
Finally, we can try it out. Let's take the phone. So it's time to connect our boombox. Play music.
Wow, the sound is awesome. Sue, add more volume. Sue, may I play my music?
Sure, Sammy.
Oopsie, wrong one. There, I found it.
Awesome, Sammy! Guys, give a thumbs up if you liked this video.
And subscribe to the channel not to miss new ones. Bye-bye.